Hello students, this is a presentation on the poem A Photograph from Hornbill, Class 11th, presented by K.A. Geeta. Shirley Tolson is a highly regarded poet, teacher, and an innovative writer. Her poetry was broadcast and published in journals. She was an educational journalist and editor. Thanks to the poetess for giving us such a beautiful piece of work. A synonym for photograph is treasure trove. It takes us back down the memory lane. It's indeed interesting. A beautiful poem by Shirley Tolson as a tribute to her mother. Brevity is the soul of poetry. The poem depicts three stages in the passage of time. The first stanza is all about the old-styled photograph where the mother of poetess and her cousins go on a sea holiday with their uncle. Mother realizes that she has grown with age, whereas the sea remains same, showing that man is mortal, but sea is immortal. In this stanza, mother enjoys looking at the old picture after 20-30 years. For mother, her childhood days are her past, and for the poetess, her mother's laughter is past. Both mother and daughter overcome their loss gradually over a period of time. The death of mother silences the poetess. Death is in fact inevitable. It leaves a void behind, seems a burden to be without someone, which is overcome gradually. The poem in fact spotlights on experiences in life where there are sweet memories, irreparable loss, and transient nature of our existence. It also drags our attention towards two dissimilar things, human life versus sea. This closely knit poem unfolds with a variety of devices, adding to its meaning, making this poetry as beautiful as a rose. They are allusion, alliteration, transferred epithet, the main being oxymoron with contrasting words together, and human attributes given to sea, signifying personification. Thank you.